What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we've got a perfect tuning gauge with the Cobra. Now these are sweet. These are usually paired with the MS3, and I got an MS3 in the car. If you haven't already seen the video of me installing that and going through different things, you can go back and watch that. But yeah, this gauge is liked by many, and they've been making improvements on it, and I can't wait to hook it up into the car and see what it can do.
It's like carbon fiber in there too.
Alright, so I got the gauge in and the wiring in. This all back on. Not as tight as it used to be, not as tight as I'd want it, but something tells me I'm gonna have to bring it back down and redo everything with some newer of these guys right here. Those don't like to be reused. But anyways, looks really handsome in there. I'm gonna see if I can't find a new cover for it eventually with a white face to match these, you know, maybe with an SVT or something real cheesy but kind of cool on it. So yeah, I kind of like the look of it. Can't wait to see how it operates once I have it working. So let's show the wiring portion of everything. Now, alright guys, I'm just going to tell you this. I'm very embarrassed to show you guys the wiring in the car currently to power all these gauges. Obviously it takes a lot of wiring to run each individual one of these, and it's not going to look pretty. So here's the wiring down here. I know, it looks like a rat's nest, but it works. It actually looks worse on camera, but I got all the wide bands, boost gauge, and the perfect tuning gauge running through this. This wire right here is the main harness for the perfect tuning gauge. It comes over here, goes around the shifter area. Those are the two wires for the wide band, and then the power wire that comes over here. Here's the end of that harness for the perfect tuning gauge. And as you'll see, I have a couple wires over here. Right here is the power wire that is going over there underneath the dash to the same power source that is powering my wide bands, so that way it's all coming on at the same time, key on, it all comes on. And then I have these guys right here. These are all wires that are going down into my computer. So here I have a sensor input. That's just for like if I ever wanted to run like an oil pressure gauge or something like that. And then I have CAN H and CAN L. So I made this easier for myself by basically running these right into the glove box. So I can just hook those two up to this, hook up the ground over there to that dash bolt, because, you know, if it works, it works. And then hook this power wire right here, right up into that. And then I should be good to go. And then we can give her a shot. And by the way, guys, the perfect tuning gauge comes with a fantastic bit of instructions here. Anything that you would need to know, it shows you. And down here you're going to find all the color codes and what they go to. Again, all I'm going to be doing is CAN H, CAN L, and then ground and power. Alright guys, Blake from the editing booth here, literally, as you can see. I just wanted to quickly interject into this video, if that's okay. This is me talking directly to the people that are starting to really enjoy the channel and starting to watch it kind of consistently, as I've been posting videos consistently. This YouTube channel is something that I've always been kind of passionate about, but my passion has grown over the past couple months, and getting the red car and being able to document it, and it's been all a blast, and I've met a lot of great people through it, and I feel like I'm helping people with information, and I'm also entertaining people, and that's just a dream of mine, is to entertain people and also do what I love to do, and that's work on the cars and build cool stuff and all of that. So with that being said, I want to start uploading videos on a more solid upload schedule, so my videos are a little bit more certain that they're going to come out. Now, I can't promise anything. I only film if I have things to film. I'm not going to film filler garbage like some of your other content creators will. But I really want to start getting on the schedule of Mondays and Fridays. And one last thing, this is very important to me and very important to you guys if you actually care to watch the channel.
I want to come up with a new channel name. The name has been under my name for a very long time. It used to be called 𝘭𝘪𝘯𝘬𝘬, and then it was just Blake Miley, my name. And yeah, my name is cool and all, but it's not cool enough to suit the channel. And honestly, and it's going to sound a little cheesy, but it's the truth, the empire that I want to build around this YouTube channel. Something that can be on the side of a building someday as we're building cool project cars and just doing cool stuff and entertaining people while we do it. With that being said, guys, I can't think of a name. I haven't changed it yet. This past like 2 months I've wanting to because I can't think of anything. So I figured, well, what's the best way to go about this kind of idea lock than to just ask the people that watch the videos. So guys, my day ones out there, if you got any channel names, let me know in the comments. Anything at all. If you got to think on it, great. If you have one you've been thinking about, shoot it down there. I want to know. But yeah, guys, sorry to interject the video. All right, pass Blake, get back on with the perfect tuning gauge installation.
All right, so I got the laptop because I just finished up the wiring over here. As you can see, got everything pretty much crimped in, everything that I'm going to be using. About ready to test it. All right, guys, before I show you guys the gauge, I got to show you something else. Now, I anticipated that somebody out there was going to go in the comments and they're going to be like, oh, your wiring looks like ass, okay? Look, I know this, okay? But it works. I knew someone was going to go out there and have to burst my bubble. I went ahead and cleaned it all up for you. Let me know what you guys think. Now, look at this. This is a fresh start for me. Look at that. Nice piece of loom. Does look pretty clean. I mean, you never see down here, but, you know, no wires are getting chafed. A lot more professional looking. All right. Very cool. All right, so I found that if you go all the way back, all the way to the left enough times, you'll get to settings and you can change your temperatures into Fahrenheit instead of Celsius. So I did that. So yeah. I also changed the way it lights up when you turn it on. It's half the alphabet colors. That thing looks good in there. I really like that. Just gonna go ahead and loom that up, tape that up, put that back in there, and bolt that bad unit back on, and I'm done. I really like this gauge. I think it was a fantastic purchase. By the way, guys, I'm not sponsored by Perfect Tuning. They did not send me this gauge. I bought it 100% myself. But if you guys are interested in purchasing one, we do carry them on the KMJ Motorsports website. So if you guys want one, please buy it through us. Link is in the description where you guys can find one. If you guys did enjoy the video, that's fantastic. Glad you came. Maybe you'll come back sometime. Perfect Tuning gauge is in the car. We'll see how good that does. Go ahead and stay tuned for the next couple videos, guys. I got some big plans with the car, fuel related. And maybe I'm thinking about taking it on the track with Andrew over at Mustang Lifestyle. I think that'd be a lot of fun, and that's something that I do see in the future with this car. Even though I'm not a big drag guy, and that definitely ain't the car to do it. Maybe that over there might be someday, but we'll think about that. But yeah, I definitely want to see what I personally can do with the Porter-Deaton Avinator Power Terminator. So we'll see what happens. Yeah, guys, thanks for watching, and take it easy.